Well, I think businesses are very hard to predict and kind of what direction a business is going to go. And one thing I've learned over time is that human behavior is very predictable. And so when we're dealing in we're all in finance and a business of predicting and predictions, that it's very difficult to predict how a business is going to do without knowing who the management team is that's responsible for that business. So, a business doesn't manage itself, a business doesn't build a culture on its own, it's built by the people at the top. And so we like to start by assessing the management so that we know what direction that business is going to take, how much value creation, because under two different CEOs, the same business will create different value. For example, we're recently looking at Aeropostale. And the stock has dropped from over 20 when the previous CEO named Julian Geiger left the business to about $3 today. And what had happened is it turned over to a new manager, and the business was managed in a completely different way than it was under Geiger's tenure. So under Geiger, this was one of the best performing stocks in the market, and under a different CEO, the stock price had dropped quite a bit because a lot of value creation was lost and problems that they lost a lot of focus. So by studying management, you're really gaining somewhat of more predictability in a business and learning which direction it could go. So that's kind of why we always start with the top.